Welcome back to Lori's Life. So, I'm starting the new year with the recipe that I just thought of, and it's turkey legs and a yam or a sweet potato cut up in my crock pot. And for liquid, I'm going to add apple juice. I think it will be a good flavor. So, you don't usually see people cooking with apple juice, right? So maybe a cup or two. And I'm going to sprinkle cinnamon on this. I already salted the turkey legs. I think cinnamon, apple juice should be good. Okay. Ooh, that seems like a lot. But a little nutmeg. And how about some ginger? That should be delicious. And that's it. That's the recipe. I'm going to put this on high for about 4 to 5 hours, maybe 6. So we'll check in later. So I thought about adding a little squirt of lime, this yummy lime concentrate for a little vitamin C and maybe a little more. So I added some more water to make sure that it's covered, and then periodically I'll like turn the drumsticks and just make sure they're cooking evenly. The timer's on for 5 hours. Welcome back to Lori's Life. I finished the soup. It really smells delicious. I'm gonna cut myself off here. Alright. So I'm wearing that Temu sweater, one of the ones I got, and it did shrink. This was a medium, and the one with the hood, and I put it in the dryer. I shouldn't have. I should have just air dried it. So next time if I get a sweater like this from Temu, you know, of this quality, I'll probably get a large, just because I like it a little, you know, loose. You know, it did loosen up since I put it on, but it's not long. Anyway, the turkey, sweet potato soup that I cooked in my crock pot with apple juice water. I added a little bit of salt, pepper on the turkey, then cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and extra water, and some onions and garlic, and it has that. It would be good in the fall. I mean, it's past Christmas now, but it has that flavor of, you know, a little sweet, cinnamony, but the broth, it's like a sweet broth. It's really good. And I cut these so thin, the sweet potatoes. And I should get a fork for this, for the turkey, but it's tender. It kind of just comes right off the bone. Very good. Anything with bone broth is really good for you, especially, you know, to keep your immunity up. Try it. I think you'll like it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your recipe ideas.